Per the Ghana Standards Protection Requirements for Ambience Noise Control Code GS 122-2018, the permissible noise level within commercial areas should be 75 decibels during the day and 65 decibels during the night, while areas with residential, trading and light industrial activities maintain 60 decibels during the day and 65 decibels during the night. Under Section 9 of the AMA Abatement of Noise bylaw, public preachers are expected to obtain a street preaching permit from the AMA, which mandates them to go about their activities from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. with adherence to the permissible noise levels. The Abatement of Noise bylaw also states that churches or religious institutions conducting service shall not allow music to be played or to preach at a service so loud as to cause disturbances to residents in an area, adding that such services must be between 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. During an enforcement exercise in the Central Business District of Accra, 10 street preachers and 5 persons engaged in the sale of products with the use of a public address system were issued notices for breaching the law.
If you look critically at the Assembly's bylaw on abatement of noise, Section 9, it clearly states that as street preachers, they are expected to obtain the street preaching permit from the Assembly, which clearly specifies how they are expected to go about their duties with respect to even timing and the noise level they are expected to go. And most of them, through our exercise, we found out they don't have the permit, and the most unfortunate thing is that the noise level is too much. So as part of efforts, we were able to caution a couple of them. Notices were served to a number of them. We got within the central bit, even within the market. So if you look at the 31st market, Mokola market itself, for instance, we had a couple of them doing their business at a point, and for all of them, they did not have the permit. They were really. I just want to add that in as much as the concentration was within the Central Business District, we want to also let people know that within residential areas where you find some religious institutions, they are also expected to obey the noise level requirement. For instance, if you want to even have some all-night services, it should not go after 10 p.m. And even if it should go, you should ensure that whatever noise level you are generating should be confined within your perimeter. Preachers and these persons that notices were served, if per our rounds we find them again within that same perimeter doing that same kind of noise pollution, the Assembly is going to take action. So when notices are served, if you don't abate the nuisance, then they would follow up with court sermons, which would eventually lead to some court action against the offender.